Samsung TV not turning on clicking sound. That repeated clicking sound coming from the back of your Samsung TV is not random. It is actually telling you exactly what is wrong. And once you understand what it means, the fix becomes obvious. So, in this video, you'll see 7 things to check, starting easy and ending with the real culprit for most people. Number 7. What that click actually is. That clicking is a relay switch inside your power board trying to fire up and send electricity to the rest of the TV. It clicks, fails, and tries again. The key thing to know is this: the clicking means your power board is still working. Something else is blocking the startup. Unplug the TV right now. Hold the physical power button on the TV for 30 seconds to drain residual electricity, wait a full minute, then plug it back in. This alone stops the loop in a surprising number of cases. Number 6. A stuck button is causing the loop. On certain Samsung models, the small boards holding the physical buttons can shift or become sticky. When a button gets stuck in the pressed position, it sends a constant signal to the relay, causing it to click in a loop. Feel each button on the TV and make sure none are stuck or depressed. If one feels different, gently work it free with a soft cloth. Repair technicians have documented this exact issue on multiple Samsung models, and it has saved many TVs from the recycling pile. Number 5. A connected device is triggering it. Unplug every HDMI cable from your TV. Gaming consoles, cable boxes, streaming sticks, all of them. A device with a firmware glitch can overload the relay and trigger the clicking loop. Try turning the TV on with nothing connected. If it boots cleanly, plug devices back in one at a time until the clicking returns. The one that brings the clicking back is your problem. Many people spent weeks thinking their TV was dying when one cable box was the cause. Number 4. The TV is overheating and shutting itself down. Samsung TVs cut power automatically when the internal temperature gets too high. If your TV is in a cabinet or close to a wall with poor airflow, heat builds up and the relay starts cycling as the protection kicks in. Move the TV to open space and let it cool for 30 minutes. Check that the ventilation slots on the back are not blocked with dust. A quick blast of compressed air clears years of buildup in under 2 minutes. Number 3. Your surge protector is the problem. An old or overloaded surge protector delivers inconsistent power to your TV. The power board receives an unstable signal, the relay tries to engage on insufficient voltage, and the clicking begins. Plug your Samsung TV directly into a wall outlet, nothing else in between. If the clicking stops and the TV turns on, your surge protector is worn out and needs replacing. Samsung's official troubleshooting documentation explicitly warns against using degraded surge protectors and recommends direct wall connections when diagnosing power issues. Number 2. The backlight LEDs are failing. Here is a cause that most people completely miss. When the LED backlight strips inside your Samsung TV begin to fail, they draw irregular current that overloads the power board and triggers the relay to cycle. Your TV is actually trying to protect itself. To check this, shine a flashlight directly against the screen in a dark room when the TV attempts to start. If you can see a very faint image for a split second before it clicks off, the backlights are the issue, not the power board itself. Backlight strips can be replaced by a technician for a fraction of what a new TV costs. Number 1. Blown capacitors on the power board. This is the most common hardware cause of the clicking loop on Samsung TVs, and it has a very specific visual sign you can check yourself. Capacitors are small cylindrical components on the power board inside the TV. When they fail, their tops bulge upward like a swollen can, or they leak a brownish fluid around their base. If you see either of those signs, the capacitor has blown. Samsung TVs from multiple generations have been documented as having substandard capacitors from the factory that fail after several years of use. Replacement capacitors cost just a few dollars each, and many repair technicians charge under $100 for the full repair, making it far more practical than buying a replacement TV.